Right, it's time for the first demdem short. Okay, fine. Think of something more imaginative. How about Kingdom Hearts, that's with monkeys. I know.
Okay, theme music.
He's on his way to the throne, he's on his way to success.
Wrong music. Let's try this again. Theme intro. Oh my god. Well, Lucia was right. He's bugging the whole place. Unbelievable. We can't have a shred of privacy in our own freaking castle. Almost in a castle oblivion. Maybe there's only one person there. But here, I mean, he lives here. Can I just keep it out on myself? Honestly, bugs everywhere. Honestly, I can't even get any work done these days. Honestly, I'm trying to work on my plan to take over the organization, yes. See how thick this is, yeah? Yeah, think it's an Argus? No, that's a disguise. Yeah, see, you put Argus cover on it, no looks. Look how much thicker mine is than my Lucia's plan. I've been working on my plan to take over the organization for years. And I've been using this dumb act to cover for all my acts, yes. Secretly, I have an IQ of 137. Smarter than Fixin', but no one will ever know. Ways to take over the organization. Well, I can always use Saix puppy on them. Loyal to me and as vicious as anything that Fixin' can create. And the world will never know. They'll just think I'm a lazy, mullet-wearing sugarholic. Ooh, M&M. M&M. Oh. Back to business. Now, is there anyone in the organization I would actually say keep list? Now, I might save my Lucia since she wants to take over organization. Well, need to be careful she doesn't stab me in the back, though. How about... might have Larxene to help me, though I might get rid of her at the end, since she's a liability. Though, if I keep Larxene, my Lucia would definitely stay. Question mark. Possibly Axel. But everyone else, I think. Ooh, and... Puppy! Saix puppy, what are you doing there? Have you been watching Daddy? Yeah. Aww. I'm definitely keeping Saix puppy. You can sit there. Definitely keeping Saix puppy. You can be my second in charge. What else on today's agenda? Well, it seems as though Marluxia has upped her plans and asking YouTube audiences on how to take over the organization. It can definitely pose a problem. I may be imaginative, but two heads are better than one. So if you want to help Demix take over the organization instead of Marluxia, then send me your ways of taking over the organization, or even Marluxia's ways of taking over the organization, and give them to me, because I can do them much better. And send them to demixthemonkeygod@gmail.com. I'll post a link in the descriptions below. Because I can certainly do a better job. I mean, Marluxia's on her own, maybe with Luxie, maybe with Axel, but I can make water clones. That's right. I can have as many water clones as I want. Literally, I could have more than 16 demxes. Do you need a plural on that? Demxes. Or demxes? I don't know. What do you think? Demxes? Yeah, I think demxes without the zzz. Yeah? Yeah. You can have 16 or more demxes taking every place in the organization. I mean, how cool would that be? And the whole place would be lovely. I mean, if you look now, it's all blue. It's all nice and watery in here. I love it in here. It's so watery and nice. I love water. Water. Wow. So. But. One warning. Anyone who sends spam to my email will have to deal with monkey clones. Yes, they are worse than water clones and worse than Dancing Nobodies mixed together, even with the vicious cuteness of Saix puppy. And you don't want that, so no spam. That's it for today. And everyone who subscribes gets an M&M. So, rate, comment, subscribe. To demdem David, that is. I mean, you can subscribe to Sharon Apart, yes, because it's a joint account and everything. But subscribe to demdem David to really show your support for the Demix cause. Join me in the taking over the organization. Together, we will be demdem delightful.